Alright, let's tell everybody where we're headed.
Picking up the kids. Captain's got a meet and greet. Right, we'll go see Captain Jack Sparrow in a minute.
Okay.
Hopefully he's got some free drinks for us.
Alright, we're gonna take you with us.
We were invited into the Haven Lounge so that we could meet the captain and the officers of the ship. This is the entryway. There's our friend Pam, and they have a really beautiful lounge area here along with a super nice bar. They also have some different drinks if you're staying in the Haven. After you walk through the door, you can see that this is the pool area. Now this is exclusively for Haven guests only. The pool is really nice and they have a hot tub as well. Once you leave the hot tub area, you walk into the hallway, and this is where we got to meet the captain, say hello to Dejamel, who is the hotel director, and the staff captain from Greece. It was so nice seeing these guys again. It's been a little bit since we were able to cruise, so we really loved being back. This is the beautiful Haven Lounge area. It's actually 2 floors, and it has a stunning view of the forward of the ship. I would almost describe this as the Haven's own little observation lounge. It is 2 stories, and that bottom area is where the Haven guests have snacks all day. For this event, they gave us some really great hors d'oeuvres and drinks as well. We had one last goodbye for all of our favorite crew, and then we headed over to Ocean Blue for dinner. Located on Deck 8 is Ocean Blue. This is a seafood specialty restaurant that's on the Bliss. It is going to be right outside of the center area. It has a beautiful decor and even outdoor seating for when it's a little bit warmer, and the seafood dishes are really impeccable. We had some great dishes, which you can definitely see in our full cruise food review here, but this is just a little sampling of everything that we had. I highly recommend checking out Ocean Blue. Right outside of Ocean Blue is going to be the Centrum area, which is where this beautiful chandelier is located. And right outside of that chandelier is going to be a bunch of shops. You're going to see some jewelry stores. There is also the photo center. This is where you can have professional photos taken or just your regular photos when you're getting off the ship in each port. They have so many options nowadays. Besides frames, cubes, glasses, we were really impressed with the array of options. Right next door is going to be the sandbar. Now this is going to be an area where you can get a bunch of souvenirs, you can get clothing as well, you can get liquor and cigarettes, and they even have candy. They also have cigars, and then also some items in case anyone gets ill. Right across from the sandbar is going to be the jewelry station. Now there's jewelry, perfume, everything from luxury high-end brands, Hublot, Effie, Swarovski, Alex and Ani, and then a whole Tag Heuer and guest store as well. The shopping on board is definitely great, and you can find some deals that you may not be able to find on land. Right outside of the Tag Heuer store is going to be Sugarcane Mojito. Now this bar is really fun. They have great drinks and they also have live music. Still on Deck 8, but a little farther down, is going to be Maltings Whisky Bar. Now this is also where the Humidor, which is the cigar smoking area, is located. And they also have an outdoor bar as well. The outdoor bar is really part of the Cavern Club, but it was definitely warm enough for us to get out there a few times during this trip. Next to Maltings is the Cavern Club. This is where the Beatles perform, and there are karaoke nights as well. Directly across from the Cavern Club is the Cellars of Michael Mandavi, which is also the location of the Italian specialty restaurant La Cucina. There is a beautiful wine selection over here, so I definitely think you could find something you enjoy. And La Cucina has some great pizza and pasta dishes as well as outdoor seating, but on this day it was a little bit chilly for that. Now our favorite restaurant, also located on Deck 8, is going to be Food Republic. This is an Asian Spanish fusion. There are some amazing dishes here. There's lots of seating, and you do need to make a reservation. This is a specialty restaurant, but you can order by item in case you just wanted a quick sushi roll or a quick bite. The food is really impeccable here, and we would definitely say check this one out. Right across from Food Republic is going to be the District Brew House. Now they have nightly entertainment on the piano. They have a really extensive beer list, and they also have some appetizers if you're looking for a snack. This is a super casual, fun place to hang out. They have a good amount of seating, and then in the way back, make sure you take a look because they have a photo booth as well. So that's really pretty cool. On deck 8 in the aft is going to be the bake shop. Now this little corner has some amazing truffles, cupcakes, macaroons, and then they also offer gelato from their dolce gelato right outside. We really love the macaroons here, especially that violet cassis. It's one of our favorite little treats on board. Right outside of the bake shop on deck 8 in the aft is going to be the A-list bar, along with Cagney's, which is a specialty restaurant featuring steaks. And directly across from Cagney's is going to be Los Lobos, which is a Mexican specialty restaurant. One of the shows playing is Jersey Boys. That's going to be located in the main theater in the front of the ship. This theater is really large, and this is also where a lot of other gatherings happen as well, including bingo, and also where you meet when you're getting ready to go out on certain tours. Located in the forward of deck 6 is going to be Q Texas Smokehouse. This is a barbecue specialty restaurant featuring live country music. Right next to Q is going to be the library and card room, where there's plenty of books and also lots of games. Across from the card room are going to be 2 separate meeting rooms. This is all located right outside of the main lobby area, which is where your customer service desk is. Lots of live music and games are played as well. The center of deck 6 is going to be the home of Coco's. That's where you can get some really great milkshakes, some crepes, and also some amazing truffles and desserts. I would say it's our favorite dessert shop on board. Right next to Coco's on deck 6 is going to be Teppanyaki. This is a specialty restaurant featuring a hibachi style performance. The food and the performers are really great. Definitely recommend checking it out. By the way, it's a super loud environment. The aft of deck 7 is going to take us into the Manhattan room. Now the Manhattan room is one of the 3 main dining rooms located on the ship. This is personally our favorite one just because it has some really beautiful views out of the back windows on the ship. The same menu is served in both taste and savor. Right outside of the Manhattan room on deck 7 in the aft is going to be the Bliss Casino. This stretches into the center of the ship and features both slot machines and tables. Walking through the casino to the front of the ship is going to be the Local. Now this is your complimentary 24-hour restaurant. They offer up some bar food favorites like a bacon cheeseburger and some wings and fries, and they also have some salads and some Cuban food as well. Right outside of the Local is going to be a small arcade area, but there is a larger one down below. In the forward of deck 15 is going to be the Observation Lounge. Now the Observation Lounge is a beautiful area with gorgeous views, lots of snacks, fresh fruit, coffee, and it's available actually in 3 different locations. You're also going to see computers where you can scroll and check out some other cruises, and you'll notice that there's also a piano player and a live singer that is there during certain times of the day. They have a really great bar, but I think the highlight here is definitely these floor-to-ceiling windows in the front. The views are stunning, and you can lounge here pretty much all day and really enjoy yourself. I love that they have the food available in 3 different sections, so if you're in the front, you don't have to walk very far to grab some snacks. Right outside of the lounge is going to also be the model of the Norwegian Bliss, along with some of the plaques. Deck 16 aft is going to be where the Mandara spa is located, the barber shop, as well as the beauty salon. This is beautifully appointed, and the barbershop touches are really awesome. The views when you're getting any kind of a nail or hair treatment are stunning. And the staff is super knowledgeable in hair color and body treatments. You're going to find the gym directly across from the spa. It's a little bit small for the ship, but there's still plenty of equipment. On the deck 16 forward is going to be the Garden Cafe. This is your buffet that is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and offers a wide variety of food. They have specialty nights including Italian and Mediterranean, and they also have a really great soft serve. Deck 16 is going to be your pool deck. This is where your sun deck and all of your slides are located. You do have to take some stairs to get up to some of the slides, but there are plenty of hot tubs and of course this amazing slide that just drops you down super fast. The kids really loved this one. Up on deck 17 is going to be Le Bistro French restaurant. This is located right outside of the pool area and is a specialty restaurant featuring all different kinds of French dishes. We loved our meal here and loved the service. Definitely recommend checking out if you have the meal plan. Deck 17 aft is the home of Spice H2O, which has a really great water feature and some hot tubs and a bar as well. Deck 19 aft is going to feature a mini golf area with 4 areas for putting. The Vibe Beach Club is located on deck 19 for a nominal fee. On deck 20 is the laser tag. I honestly think this is probably the most fun we had on board. It is available for a small fee and you do need to make reservations. We couldn't videotape during the process, but you can see how awesome all of the special effects are in here. Deck 19 aft is going to be where the Norwegian Bliss Speedway is located. This is the first go-karts at sea, and it is really an amazing process to see on a ship.
All right, it's a little bit loud because we're right by the smokestack over here, but the kids are gonna do the Bliss Speedway. They're getting ready, they're getting their gear on and everything, and they're gonna check out the go-karts over here on the Norwegian Bliss with this beautiful background in Icy Strait.
The kids zoomed around on this 2-level racetrack in the middle of the ocean. You do have to be 55 inches or taller and no more than 265 pounds, and the fee for this is $15 per person per ride. You do need to have closed shoes and you can't have any loose items, including a cell phone, when you are going on the racetrack. The kids definitely enjoyed this a lot. Everyone in our group really enjoyed the racetrack. We did it several times and I would recommend checking it out. My personal favorite part of being on board the Bliss was checking out the bridge. If you have a chance to do the bridge tour, I definitely recommend it. Now, no videoing is allowed inside, but you do get a really amazing tour with the captain, and we love doing this every time we sail. We thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay safe, and aloha.